is already here. It controls our lives, obviously, here in the Matrix. We're told there is a new trend, parents registering their new bundles of joy online as a website address. For real. Parents going so far as to check the domain names in advance to make sure they're available before they even name their kids. Case in point, Mark Pankow, a father who bought domain names for his children, and Warren Adelman, founder of GoDaddy.com. Mark and Warren, hello. Mark, you came up with a domain name, making sure that the kid's name would be available first. Explain yourself, please.
Well, when I made that comment, I was actually being a bit facetious with the last name like, with the last name like Pankow, I didn't have as much concern about names being available, but I do know for some, it's probably a concern.
So, would you do that, though? I mean, would you name your child something that would be, even to you, a little weird, so that it would have its own web address?
Well, I've heard that people are doing this.
Yeah, I have to.
I certainly pick my children's names first, and then subsequently registered their names, which I think is more the case today.
I hear you. GoDaddy is the one where you get all of these. How often are people registering domain names these days?
Well, we actually are registering a domain name every 1.3 seconds. And we currently have 23 million domain names under management. So the answer is quite a lot.
Are you concerned at all that Mark Cuban, owner of all good things and purveyor of all good thoughts, has declared the internet dead?
I think that's a little bit early and incorrect prognosis. If anything, I think we're continuing to see people move online and spend more and more time online and in activities online.
No doubt.
And that's why I think we're seeing the domain name become so important.
Hey, Mark, your kids came right out of the birthing unit there with a .com. Is that correct?
Not quite, not quite. The last one, I have 5 children, the last one did have a domain name shortly after birth, yes.
Well, that's what the bookers told me. I'll get them for exaggerating it. Hey, good to see you both. Thanks for coming on.
Thank you.